Hi, I'm Mike Bangert, here at OFC, where ZR and ZR Plus optics are really taking the industry by storm. Let me explain what these optics are and touch on some of the testing and operational considerations. Traditionally, if you want to transmit optical data over long distances, you need to use a transponder. That's a special piece of network equipment that modulates the optical signal to make recovery at the far end possible. The key innovation with ZR and ZR Plus optics is taking the functionality of the transponder and putting it into a pluggable optic. This significantly reduces the upfront costs as well as the ongoing operational expense. That's why this technology is so attractive to service providers and data center operators. Now that the transponder isn't in the picture anymore, what changes? What's the impact? First, dispersion. 400 gig in general, and ZR, ZR Plus optics in particular, have a lower tolerance for dispersion versus 100 gig. Take care in selecting the fibers and fiber routes that you're going to use, because poor fiber may not be suitable for high-speed transmission. Checking for dispersion is always a good practice, but when using 400 gig ZR and ZR Plus optics, it's critical. Second, you need a way to characterize the line system that you want to run ZR or ZR Plus optics on. This proves high-quality transmission through the optical fiber and any ROADMs or amplifiers in the path. This is where an end-to-end Ethernet test with optical spectrum analysis comes in. We recommend a simple three-step process. First, configure, tune, and test the optic to make sure it works well by itself. Second, run an end-to-end Ethernet test to ensure zero frame loss while also monitoring what we call coherent statistics, such as prefect bit error rate and OSNR. Third, perform optical spectrum analysis on the received signal. This provides a view of ground truth to ensure margins and helps troubleshoot any issues. So how can Viavi help? Our OneAdvisor 800 provides a single unit capable of performing all the tests I mentioned above. It's the ideal solution to ensure ZR and ZR Plus rollouts go smoothly. For more information, please contact your local sales rep or visit viavisolutions.com.